Using a Divvy card effectively involves understanding its features and integrating it into your business's financial practices. Here's a step-by-step guide. Activate your card. Upon receiving your Divvy card, activate it by following the instructions provided, usually via the Divvy mobile app or website. Download the Divvy app. Download and install the Divvy app from your smartphone's app store. This app is essential for managing your expenses and tracking spending. Set up your account. Log into the Divvy app or website and set up your business account. Enter all necessary details and link your bank account for seamless transactions. Assign budgets. Create budgets for different departments or projects within your business. Divvy allows you to allocate specific amounts to individual employees or teams. Distribute cards. Issue physical or virtual Divvy cards to your employees. Each card can be linked to a specific budget, ensuring controlled spending. Make purchases. Use the Divvy card for business expenses. Employees can use their assigned cards for authorized purchases within their budget limits. Track spending. Use the Divvy app to monitor real-time transactions. Employees can upload receipts and categorize expenses directly within the app. Review and adjust budgets. Regularly review spending reports and adjust budgets as needed. The Divvy platform provides detailed insights into your spending patterns. Automate expense reports. Utilize Divvy's automated expense reporting feature to simplify your bookkeeping. This reduces the time spent on manual expense tracking and reporting.